In this video, I'm going to show you how to access FlipGrid in a computer. So number one, we're gonna open a new tab and we're gonna type flipgrid.com. We're gonna hit enter and this is not supposed to happen. Okay, hold on. Let me see what happened. Okay, there it is. Um, this is the page that it's supposed to show on. So we're on flipgrid.com right now, just by clicking flipgrid.com. We're gonna enter a our flip code, and the note in here, green group and yellow group have different flipgrid codes. So make sure you are using the correct flipgrid that was given on Class Dojo. So for yellow group, this is the flipgrid code, and we're gonna click on the arrow, and that will take us to the page where we're supposed to sign in. So once we're on this page, our students are going to pick login with Google. And when they log in with Google, they're going to click on the bottom, use another account if you're signed in. But I'm going to pick my account, the school email. Your student is going to have to type their school email and their password if it's the first time. And this is yellow group, so this is what it shows right now. Misiones de California, lo que yo aprendí. And here I have the instructions about what questions to focus on. Here is a video that explains a little bit about what to do. And then once they're ready to record their answer, then they can click on the plus sign. And Carolina already recorded her video. She's the first one in yellow group to record her video. We can watch Carolina, and I disable the response button. So students are not going to be responding to other students, but they are recording their own videos about their knowledge. So this is FlipGrid. So when we click on the plus, then the camera is going to turn on for us. And you can see my camera didn't turn on. So then we can try again. We can allow it. This happened in my computer because I have Adobe Flash. So then you're gonna have to allow the microphone if a sign like this pops in. So make sure you allow the microphone for your computer so that it can actually record, and then the camera will pop up. Okay, so good luck on doing your videos for California missions. The videos need to be recorded in Spanish, as I am looking at the oral speaking for Spanish. Okay, that's all on the instructions on how to log in to FlipGrid from your computer. Bye.